Hi guys, today I want to show you this Athearn crane. I have customized it. I have made it fully functional. It works with DCC. I have installed two decoders inside and a bunch of relays, and I have used the ball bearing for the turret so it turns smoothly. I have upgraded the motor last week for the turret, and it turns much smoother and quieter. Before it was loud and it was kind of jerky, but now it turns much smoother and works really well. I've installed lights. You can turn it on and off. Also a beacon. You can turn it off, on. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, I have kind of made this to demonstrate it for you. Alright, F1 lifts up the boom. F2, you have to hold it down, brings the boom down. And F3, F4 are for the smaller hook, and F5 and F6 are for the bigger hook. Okay, boom up. Okay, and turret. You can see it turns really smoothly. I upgraded the motor. Okay, the only catch about this is when the turret turns too far out, heavy loads cause the wheels to get lifted off the track and you lose power. But if it's a lighter load, it's no problem. And I'll show it to you what I mean. So the higher the load is, the boom is more vertical. It works better. So see, it's getting disconnected. There we go. So I'm gonna turn it back. So I have thought about what to do to remedy this situation. One is to build outriggers, or maybe actually it works better on the other side. I can make the turret turn faster too, so no, it didn't tip over on the other side. I think there is something wrong with this. The platform is kind of not level. Maybe that's why. So yeah, I was thinking maybe to put metal weights inside and put magnets inside the track, and you bring this over the magnets, activate the magnets, and kind of stick it to the rails better and stuff. So yeah, as I said, it's not built for really heavy stuff, and this transformer is kind of heavy. So if you have lighter loads like containers or some other loads, they're plastic, lighter, you can easily lift them, put them on the flat trucks like that, or you can lift, box cars or something like that. Alright, so F2 brings down the boom. Alright, let me disconnect this, and let me need some load on it because these hooks are light, so they need some weight on them to come down. So F6 brings down, F5 up. The noises you hear from the motors, they're not really that bad. Actually, they're not bad at all. The camera picks up, it amplifies the noises of the motors inside, so it's not bad at all. So they're not that noisy as you can hear in the film. So they're pretty quiet. Okay, so let me turn the turret for you. It goes all the way. Can turn it around, slow it down, speed it up. And I wouldn't go 360 degree around because of the wires. You can do it, but I wouldn't. I would bring it back. Every time I go, I bring it back. I wouldn't go like constant 360 degree around, so for the wires they don't get tangled. All right. Okay, so as I said, it's pretty strong. You can lift up kind of heavy stuff too, like this switcher here. So as you can see, as long as the crane is in this position here, you can lift up heavy stuff like this switcher. I wouldn't lift up like Dash 9s or ST70 Aces or things like that. They're too heavy. It might break the gears inside or even break the line. I mean, I wouldn't lift anything heavier than a switcher like that. So it's getting a little bit disconnected, the tracks. Alright. Okay guys, so as I said, I'm gonna put this on eBay for sale. If you're interested, you can bid on it. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until the next video.